The differences, I think, between Dr. Deming's philosophy and the other sort of quality programs isn't about just looking at quality of product or quality of service, although it certainly is an outcome of applying Dr. Deming's ideas. It's quality of work life and the quality of the organization.
Drive out fear. There's a reason. I don't think he could point to it neurologically, but we can today, and we know why that is. You can't learn, and we need to have organization.
Locate the card with the actual language of that point to make a match. Don't worry if you miss these. You can go back through course modules more than once until you're familiar with the 14 points. And later in the course, we'll offer...
We firmly believe that the system by which we operate in needs to be constantly evolving.
It does. Simply click Start again to get a new number. Although going through all 6 is recommended, continue until you land on at least 3. Once a new number appears, click on it. Then fill in how that point...
And management by fear is so damaging to individuals' mental health.
My grandfather was an avid amateur baseball player. At the time, Louisville was a major league city.